Welcome to the English class. Today we will learn about internet. First we will see the advantages of internet. This is a section number 2.a comprehension internet written by Jagdish Joshi. What is internet? The internet that brings to our mind the things like surfing, chatting, downloading, the listening to the music, email, the social networking sites and communities, sharing the files. These are the common uses of internet that we used to do in our day-to-day life. But in paragraph 2, it had given in detail that how internet had made our life very easy and comfortable. We can do many things with the help of the internet, like ordering the food, payment of bill. The days of long queues have gone due to the online movie tickets you can book. Even you can book the bus ticket, train ticket and the air ticket, the railway ticket booking. Internet banking is slowly become popular. All these activities like online shopping, window shopping with the help of so many apps and websites we do have, all this information is just on your fingertips, and these facilities are available 24 into 7, and that is why we think that internet made our life easy and comfortable. In paragraph 3, it had talked about the internet as traveling guide. Internet can be our best traveling guide. This is the one of the important question for G2, like visiting for some places for the first time is no longer a problem. Internet is helpful to you in your travel. Like it can give you the satellite photographs with the help of Google Map. You can trace the inaccessible places where you have not visited are very difficult to reach there. You can find out the photographs of these places very easily with the help of the internet give you the map. Internet is also giving you the latest news of the place, even like about food, weather, things to be carried, currency, place to eat, live and visit. We can also find out the precautions before we go to any trip or travel. So internet is a best traveling guide. Today we do have so many apps, so many particular websites that give you a detailed information about the trip if we plan for or if we go on our own. So internet is the best traveling guide. The fourth paragraph talk about the academics, how internet is useful for the students in their study. You can get updated knowledge of your subject with the help of the internet. You can search the resources like encyclopedia, the multi-volume books like encyclopedia. Encyclopedia is a book that contains the information in detail in alphabetical order. The academic books, the reference books, the dictionaries are different from encyclopedia, as dictionary give only word and meaning in alphabetical order. The multi-volume book, the book that is having more than one volume, that is called the multi-volume books. The case studies, you can also get an idea, or you can also get the information about the case study on which you are working now. The lectures you can download, you can play, you can get the extra knowledge from the expert lectures or lecturers with the help of the internet. So you can study the best practices of the world famous scholars and institute. You can also listen to or learn from renowned. Here the word renowned is important. Renowned means famous. International faculties. It is flooding with online references. It's upon how much you gain out of it. So this is about the advantages of internet. In the book, the particular exercise is given. This is just for your reference. Like internet banking is slowly become popular. The answer is it's convenient. Which one is social networking site, that is Google Plus, and what is 24 into 7, that is forever. The other answers and question you will get in the assignment. The most important word is the book containing articles on various topics in alphabetical arrangement covering all branches of knowledge, and the answer is encyclopedia. So these are some important questions for the point of view of GTU exam. The short note for 3 marks. Thank you for listening the advantages of internet. We will meet in next lecture with the disadvantages of internet. Thank you.